All right, so moving through a vinyasa. Vinyasa means to flow. So we're gonna move from down dog into chaturanga, into cobra, and back into child's pose. This is going to be strengthening the core, the abs, the low back, the glutes, and the quads. So as we move forward, we're gonna shift the hands slightly forward and shift the weight into the arms. So I want my wrists right above my shoulders, or right below my shoulders. Belly button's pulled in nice and tight. You're gonna slowly lower yourself down. And if you do not have a whole lot of upper body strength, you may find your back coming down. You wanna pull that in nice and tight. Use those arms. Releasing down to the ground. First modification, we're gonna bring the elbows into the mat and lift the chest. In this posture, my belly button's pulled in, my glutes are tight, and my quads are tight. We're holding everything in, supporting the low back. And releasing down. To move back, hands come back into the mat, belly button lifts off the ground. Use that arm strength and press back into child's pose. Coming back into tabletop, we're gonna add the downward facing dog with it. So tucking the toes, pressing back into down dog, dropping back into the knees, shift your weight forward, modified chaturanga. You can move into a deeper cobra, keeping the hands into the ground. Again, glutes are tight, belly button's pulled in. I'm not extending my arms just yet. I'm using my back strength, I'm using my ab strength to hold me up, and releasing down. Pressing back through tabletop, and child's pose. Good, one more time for the full modification. Through tabletop, into down dog. The more comfortable you get, the better you'll flow. You can drop down to the knees. Inhaling up to full cobra. Good, and last time with no modifications at all. So down dog. Shifting my weight into full plank, lowering nice and slow for chaturanga. Inhaling for up dog. So this is just a deeper version of everything that we're doing. The stronger you get with the abs, the stronger you get with the low back, the stronger you get with the arms, the more flexibility you'll have, and you'll see your body will start to flow a little bit deeper. Okay, so let's move into our finishing postures. Coming all the way down to the ground, you can work on ab strength, grab the back of the knees, and slowly roll down. All right, from here, spinal twists are excellent for the low back. Bringing the knees up to the chest. I want you to take your arms shoulder height, palms turned down. We're gonna let the knees move to one side, head turns to the left. If you're having troubles getting the knees down to the ground or relaxing, you can put a pillow underneath or in between the knees. It'll help to take a little bit of that pressure off the low back and the hips. Holding for about 5 breaths. Pull the belly button back into the spine, lift through the legs, and release to the opposite side. Pulling the belly button back in, coming back to center. Hands come to the knees. We're going to just gently rock side to side, massaging the low back. When you're ready to come up, you can release onto one side, gently pressing and coming back into a seated position. Taking a few moments just to relax, process what your body did. And until we meet again, namaste.